Why do roosters crow at night? Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night to the sound of a rooster crowing? Many of us have, but have you ever wondered why they do this? Is it just a random habit, or is there something deeper behind it? Some believe that roosters crow because they see angels, but what does science say about it? Let's dive into the facts and see what both faith and modern research reveal about this mystery. The role of roosters in different cultures. Throughout history, roosters have held a significant place in many cultures and religions. In Christianity, the rooster is often associated with vigilance and the story of Peter's denial of Jesus. In Chinese culture, the rooster is one of the 12 zodiac animals, symbolizing honesty and punctuality. However, in Islamic tradition, roosters have a unique and intriguing role that connects them to the unseen world. Prophetic sayings about roosters. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, advised not to curse the rooster, for it calls people to prayer. This saying is recorded in various Islamic sources, including Abu Dawood and An-Nasa'i. The Prophet also stated, "When you hear the rooster crow, ask Allah for his blessings, for it has seen an angel." This belief has been passed down for centuries, but could there be a scientific explanation for it? Scientific explanation: how roosters see beyond human vision. In 2010, a study published in the Public Library of Science explored the vision of chickens. Humans can perceive three primary colors: red, green, and blue. However, chickens have a fourth cone in their eyes that allows them to detect ultraviolet light, vastly expanding their visual range. While we see about 1 million shades, chickens can see up to 100 million. This means that chickens, including roosters, can see things that are completely invisible to the human eye. Interestingly, scientific studies also show that certain animals can detect infrared and ultraviolet light, spectrums associated with different energy sources. Could this mean that roosters actually see something when they crow at night? The biological clock of roosters. Roosters have an internal biological clock that enables them to anticipate dawn. Research has shown that even in completely dark environments, roosters continue to crow at certain times, proving that their behavior is not just a response to light changes but rather an internal mechanism. However, this does not explain why they sometimes crow at odd hours during the night. Could their ability to see ultraviolet light be influencing this behavior? Do animals see angels and jinn? Islamic teachings describe angels as beings made of light. The Quran mentions that jinn, on the other hand, are created from smokeless fire, which some scholars interpret as a reference to infrared energy. Scientific research confirms that donkeys have excellent infrared vision, which may explain why they react to unseen entities at night. If angels emit ultraviolet light and roosters can see ultraviolet light, could this be why they react the way they do? An Islamic narration also describes a heavenly rooster of immense size, whose crowing marks the call for prayer in the heavens. According to tradition, when the day of judgment nears, this celestial rooster will stop crowing, signaling the final hour. Interestingly, roosters are not the only animals believed to detect supernatural entities. Dogs have been reported to bark at unseen presences. And cats are often thought to stare at things invisible to humans. Scientific studies show that many animals can perceive frequencies, vibrations, and light waves that are beyond human sensory abilities. Could it be that these animals are detecting spiritual beings? Mind-blowing scientific implications. If this theory holds true, it raises profound questions. Could other animals also perceive spiritual entities? What else might exist beyond our visible spectrum? How much do we really know about the unseen world? Modern science continues to uncover secrets about vision and perception. The fact that chickens regenerate their hearing cells, a discovery that may help cure human deafness in the future, further proves how little we understand about the design of living creatures. So next time you hear a rooster crowing at dawn, remember, it might be witnessing something we cannot see. What do you think? Have you ever experienced something mysterious with animals? Let us know in the comments.